here's the thing. You said a wyvern is a dragon. Is it in the same family? Yes. No one's arguing that. As someone who is an 1K MMR feeder who studies dragons extensively, I am telling you, specifically, in Dota, no one calls wyverns dragons. If you want to be specific, like you said, then you shouldn't either. They're not the same thing. If you're saying dragon family, you're referring to the taxonomic group of Varanidae, which includes things from wyverns to eldworms to drakes. So your reasoning for calling a wyvern a dragon is because random people call the flying lizards dragons? Let's get Gyarados and Charizards in there too then. Also, calling someone a noob or a feeder, it's not one or the other. That's not how taxonomy works. They're both. A wyvern is a wyvern and a member of the dragon family. But that's not what you said. You said a wyvern is a dragon, which is not true unless you're okay with calling all members of the dragon family dragons, which means you call eldworms, drakes, and other flying lizards dragons too, which you said you don't. It's okay to just admit you're wrong, you know?